Good morning, children. Welcome to our classes. Today topic our Earth. This is ninth class lesson. We live on the Earth along with the millions of other animals, plants, and microorganisms also there. Do you know that? When did we arrive on the Earth? మనం భూమి మీదకి ఎప్పుడు వచ్చాం? Yes, we arrived on the earth about 1 lakh years ago. From that onwards, we have been trying to make the earth better place to live. Understand? 400 years ago, humans looking into the sky and trying to find out the shining objects like stars and sun, moon and planets and other objects also there. At the time, humans thought that Earth was a flat disk. When we move to the edges, we will fall down from the earth. After that, 500 years ago, scientists came up with a new theories. According to the scientists, Earth was not a flat disk; it was a round disk. Understand? Who told first Earth was a round disk? Initially, Aristotle revealed that అంటే భూమి గుండ్రంగా ఉందని మొట్టమొదట చెప్పినటువంటి వ్యక్తి ఆరిస్టాటిల్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఫెర్డినాండ్ మాజిలాన్, he did the experiment and he told that Earth was not a flat disk, Earth was a round disk. He started experiment. He wanted to prove the Earth was not a flat disk, it was a round disk. He started sailing from the Spain first in 1519. He started from the Spain and finally he reached again the same place. His ships traveled 3 years. Finally he proved that it was a round disk. అంటే ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాడో, స్పెయిన్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాడా అదే ప్లేస్కి మళ్ళీ ఆయన రీచ్ అవ్వడం జరిగింది. He moved first western direction. Look at here. He started from this ship's wall, moved towards in the west direction, and again he reached the same direction. Then finally proved that it was a round disk, not a flat disk. Life is possible only on the Earth planet. Do you know present how many planets are there? Yes, only 8 planets are there. Pluto is not recognized as a planet because it's always changes its position. So that's why did not recognize it. So now Pluto is a dwarf planet. Dwarf planet means small planet. Scientists were not recognized. Humans thought that Earth is a storehouse of all the resources. They can exploit more and more resources resources, our reckless exploitation of the earth meant for destruction of forest, rivers, hills, fellow animals, and even fellow humans. They thought that it is a storehouse of all the resources. It leads to that. What happened? What was the result of this? We are facing the environmental crisis. What are the environmental crises? First one, it is pollution. Another one, global warming and poisoning of our earth soil. These are all number of crises there. What is global warming? The temperature increases the position known as global warming. Mainly CO2, carbon dioxide. Mainly carbon dioxide. The percentage of carbon dioxide has been increasing the atmosphere. It leads to temperature increases. It's known as global warming. Okay. Recently, scientists were find out methane also one of the important gas which resulted global warming. Where it is find out recently due to the global warming, Antarctica ice melts and under the methane gas spreads into the atmosphere because already methane gas under the ice, when the ice melts, methane gas comes out and reaches to the atmosphere. So they find out that not only carbon dioxide, methane also causes to the global warming. Understand, children? Right. Now we'll discuss about our universe, the sun and the earth. Okay. First, what is universe? Millions of galaxies called as universe. You can observe this first. Millions of galaxies called as universe. Understand? Similarly, what is galaxy? Millions of stars called as galaxy. What is star? You know that our sun is also one star. It is the nearest star to our earth. అంటే మనకి దగ్గరగా ఉన్నటువంటి ఒక స్టార్ అది ఏంటి సన్. అర్థమైందా? మరి ఇటువంటి స్టార్స్, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టార్స్, మిలియన్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టార్స్ దేర్. నెక్స్ట్, each star has its own solar system. You know what is solar system? What is solar system? 8 planets, asteroids, meteoroids and other dust particles together called as solar system. Our Earth is also a solar system. Our Sun has its own solar system. Similarly, in the universe, millions of stars there, they have its own solar system. Our Sun, some planets are there, 8 planets are there. So one of the planet, our Earth is one of the planet. Our scientists have been investigating and searching for Earth-like planets in the other solar systems or in the other galaxies. Millions of galaxies there. Today, human beings are investigating and trying to understand the universe. Several spaceships have been sent to the universe and space. Human beings were trying to investigate the new objects. Understand? We sent some spaceships like Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 to the other and space. Presently also it is working, and human beings trying to reach. Human beings went to the moon and they are trying to investigate other planets, not only our Earth, like Mars and Saturn and Venus. These are all they wanted to investigate why the Earth planet only has its life. Life is possible only on the Earth planet. So what are the reasons? Why other planets don't have such? Life is possible only on the Earth planet in our solar system because of mainly the position of the Earth in the all other planets. So our Earth is in the third place, exact position. And next important one, water, liquid water is more percentage in our Earth surface. 71% of water there available, and important gases also formed on the Earth surface only. So these are all the main causes. That's why life is possible on the Earth surface. Understood? Universe. You already know that billions of galaxies together called as universe. What is the origin of the universe? Any theory is there? Yes, one theory is there. It is Big Bang theory. What is that? Big Bang theory. So when did happen this? 13.7 billion years ago. 13.7 billion years ago. Our universe began with an explosion of the space itself can generate temperature and heat, and it expands all the space which happened about 13.7 billion years ago. 13.7 billion years ago. It may also end, means it may also end several billion years later. Understand, our sun It is also burning sphere of ball. Understand? All the stars, it may die. How it's born? Itself only born. The stars are born itself. It may die several billion years ago. అంటే వాటంతట అవే పడుతున్నాయి, మళ్ళీ అవి చనిపోతాయి. సిమిలర్లీ అవర్ సన్ nearest star to earth, it may also die. Die means what? If it does not generate its energy, it stops its energy, then what will happen? All the other planets stop the rotation, stop the revolution and join in the sun. So total Earth also collapse, all the planets also collapse, entire our solar system collapse. This kind of situations has been happened in the universe, but we don't know, we can't imagine the universe. Understand, children? Look at these pictures. Do you know, children, in which galaxy our solar system is located? Yes, it is Milky Way. You are observing that this is taken by the NASA organization from America. NASA means National Aeronautical Space Agency in America. Similarly, India also there. It is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, it is located in Nellore district. ISRO, you know that Chandrayaan 1, it is launched in 2008 October 22nd. Chandrayaan 2, it is also launched in 2019 July 22nd. These are successfully launched. Okay, look at this picture. You can see Chandrayaan 3. This will be launched in 2022. India hopes sent a mission to moon. Chandrayaan means India plan to send a man to the moon surface. Understand? Right. Next topic, it is Earth. Do you know what is the model of the Earth? Yes, it is globe. Understand? Who discovered that? Who invented that globe? Martin Bain. The globe is an English word which is derived from a Greek word or globus. What is globus? Globus means a spherical shape or round shape. Understand? You know that Earth is one of the planet. Do you know why do we call Earth as a planetary body? What is the reason? You know, Pluto is removed from the solar system and not recognized as a planet. Understand? Here, our Earth, only life is only possible on the Earth. Earth is the English word which is derived from Greek word earth. Understood? Earth means ground, soil and dry land. Understood? Similarly, in Sanskrit, Earth means Bhumi, Prithvi, Avani. Understand? What is the shape of the earth? Elliptical shape. Understand? This is earth. How it rotates? Earth rotates in its axis with the speed of 1660 kilometers per hour. 1660 kilometers. While revolution time, the earth, is it increase its speed or decrease? While it revolution time, what is the speed of the earth? More. How much it is? 1,07,200 kilometers of speed per hour. Can you imagine that? Now we are facing that kind of situation, and also rotation and also revolution around the sun, but we can't observe, we can't feel. Why? What happened? మనం ఎందుకు చూడలేకపోతున్నాము, ఎందుకు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాము? One and only reason there. One is earth has gravitational force. Another one, mainly our atmosphere on the earth's surface, while rotation time and revolution time, along with us, our atmosphere also rotation along with us, along with the earth. That's why we can't see. Understand? We can't fall. Just fall on the earth only. Not we are fall off from the earth. Suppose we are standing here. Earth rotates its speed 1660 kilometers per hour, while revolution time 1,07,200 kilometers. 1,07,200 kilometers per hour while rotation time. Even though we can't feel that, we just fall on the earth. We don't fall off from the earth. అంటే బయటికి ఎర్త్ నుంచి బయటికి పడిపోవట్లే, మనం ఎర్త్ మీద మాత్రమే పడుతున్నాం. ఒకవేళ పడితే. Understood? Now what is axis? One basic point is that all the lines are imaginary lines. All the lines are imaginary lines. Here also one imaginary line is there. You can't see this. That line which connect from North Pole to South Pole, it's known as axis. Based on the axis, Earth rotates from which direction? From west to east direction. This is north, south. This is North Pole. This is South Pole. What is the northernmost point of the earth? Yes, North Pole. Southernmost point of the earth, South Pole. Understand? This is. And do you know Earth has two movements are there? Movements. Two movements. One is rotation. Another one revolution. Earth rotates in its axis only, the speed of 1660 kilometers per hour from west to east, revolution, Earth revolving around the sun. See this. Earth starts its revolution around the sun. Understand? This is at the time Earth creates its own path. Creates its own path. Understand? It's known as orbit. It's known as orbit. Understood? So, what is the shape of the orbit? What is the shape of the orbit? Scaled oval path. What is scaled oval path? Not circular path. Understood, right? Thank you, children. Thank you for watching.